Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So let's first open the box here and let's check. Here we can see the charger brick, and you'll have also the USB Type-C cable, and unfortunately we have not here any adapter, so if you want to use the adapter together with your Nokia device, you should buy it separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.